That's a great question, and one that I'm often asked. Tesla is a company that is known for its innovative and cutting-edge electric vehicles. But what does Tesla actually do? And how does it make money? In this video, I'm going to give you a comprehensive overview of Tesla's business model and how it works. I'll also discuss some of the challenges that Tesla faces and its future prospects. So, let's get started. Tesla's business model. Tesla's business model is based on the sale of electric vehicles. The company sells two main types of vehicles, the Model S and the Model X. The Model S is a luxury sedan, while the Model X is a crossover SUV. In addition to selling vehicles, Tesla also generates revenue from the sale of energy storage systems and solar panels. These products are sold under the Tesla Energy brand. Tesla's business model is unique in that it vertically integrates the production and sale of its products. This means that Tesla controls the entire supply chain, from the design and development of its vehicles to the production and sale of its products. This vertical integration gives Tesla a number of advantages. For example, it allows the company to control the quality of its products and to ensure that its products are delivered to customers on time. It also allows Tesla to generate higher margins on its products. Tesla's technology. Tesla is known for its innovative technology. The company's electric vehicles are powered by lithium-ion batteries. These batteries are more efficient and powerful than traditional gasoline-powered engines. Tesla also uses a number of other innovative technologies in its vehicles, such as self-driving software and autopilot features. These technologies are designed to make Tesla's vehicles safer and more convenient to drive. Tesla's challenges. Tesla faces a number of challenges. One of the biggest challenges is the high cost of its vehicles. Tesla's electric vehicles are typically more expensive than comparable gasoline-powered vehicles. Another challenge is the limited range of Tesla's vehicles. The current range of Tesla's vehicles is typically around 300 miles. This can be a limiting factor for some consumers, especially those who live in rural areas. Tesla also faces competition from other companies that are developing electric vehicles. These companies include General Motors, Ford, and Volkswagen. Tesla's future prospects. Tesla has a number of exciting plans for the future. The company is developing a new electric pickup truck called the Cybertruck. It is also working on a new electric semi-truck called the Semi. Tesla is also planning to expand its network of charging stations. This will make it easier for Tesla owners to charge their vehicles. Tesla is also working on developing new technologies, such as self-driving software and autopilot features. These technologies will make Tesla's vehicles even safer and more convenient to drive. Tesla is a company that is at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution. The company has a number of innovative products and a bright future ahead. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of what Tesla does and how it works. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about Tesla and other electric vehicles.